So, ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion basically mean a part of similarity which are used to compare two or more quantities. So, first let's discuss the ratio. So, the ratio one number R to another is the quotient when the first number is divided by the second, which is a non-zero number. So, R over S, and it is usually expressed in simplest form. Also, ratio can be compared to quantities that are expressed in the same unit. So, here's some examples. So, imagine a poster is 1 meter long and 52 centimeters. So, we need to find the ratio of the width and its length. So, in order to solve that, we need to convert either meter or centimeter. So, if we use centimeter, 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. So, I set up my ratios with the width on top over the length. So, it will become 52 is to 100, or in its simplest form, 13 is to 25. So, the next problem is that we're going to find the measure of each angle of this triangle. So, the ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 5. So, in order to solve that, let x be the common part of 2x and 5x. So, and 2x and 5x represent the measures of the three angles of the triangle. So 2x plus 2x plus 5x is equal to 9x, so which is equal to 180, and we need to divide both sides by 9, so x is equal to 20. So that is the common part. So we need to substitute the value of x to 2x and 5x. So 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40. Then 5 multiplied by 20 is equal to 100. Therefore, the measure of each angle are 40 degrees, and 100 degrees. Now what about proportion? Proportion is an equation stating that two ratios are equal. A is to B is equal to C is to D are equivalent forms of the same proportion. And B are the streams and B, C are the means. So through the law of proportion, it states that in any proportion, the product of the means equals the product of the streams. So which is AB is equal to BC. So this is what we call the extended proportion. A over B is equal to C over D is equal to E over F. So let's have some examples. So here we need to find the known value of the proportion quantity 2x plus 1 is to 2 is equal to quantity x plus 2 is to 5. So first we need to convert the column-based odds notations ratios to fractional form to make it easy. So that will become 2x plus 1 over 2 is equal to x plus 2 over 5. Then get the product. Then multiply 2x plus 1 to 5, so that will become 2 multiplied 2x plus 1 and x plus 2 to 2. So that will become 2 quantity to x plus 2. So the product of that is 10x plus 5 and 2x plus 4. Then combine both numbers with the same variable. So that would become 8x is equal to negative 1. And divide both sides by 8. So that would become x is equal to negative 1 over 8. So here another problem which we need to express the ratio of this figure in simplest form. So we need to find this problem. So the first one is AB is to BC. So what is the ratio of AB is to BC? So here, AB is equal to 8. So while BC is equal to 3. So the answer is 8 is to 3. Next one, AB is to CD. AB is equal to 8 here, then CD is equal to 12. So we need to get the simplest form so that we become 2 is to 3. And then AB is to AB. AB is equal to 8. Then AB is the sum of AB plus BC plus CD. That will become 23. So the ratio is 8 is to 23. Then AB is to BD. AB is equal to 8 and BD is the sum of BC plus CD, which is 15. So 8 is to 15. Then BC is to AB. BC is equal to 3 and AB is the sum of A is to B is to BC plus BC plus CD. So that will become 3 is to 23. The next problem is we need to find the ratio of the two complementary angles, which is 3 is to 6. So here we need to find the measure of each angle. So we let x as the common part of 3x and 6x, which is 3x plus 6x is equal to 90. Then combine 3x plus 6x, that will become 9x is equal to 90. Then divide both sides by 9. Then the answer would become x is equal to 10. And multiply the value of 10 to 3x plus 6, 3x and 6x. So that will become 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30, and 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. So the measures of two complementary angles are 30 degrees and 60 degrees.